Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the AFK Journey game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device. And once you have downloaded all of the game resources, you will be told to tap in order to start your journey. Now, before you begin, you can sign up and create a new account by tapping on the account option at the top menu. When you tap on this, you can either enter your email address to link your account, or you can use your Google account right away. Tap on Continue with Google and then choose your Google account from your phone. You can also link your email address from this Google account by tapping on the link button. And after typing in this email, tap on the Get Verification Code option. And now you can check your inbox, where you will find this verification code. Once you enter this code within the given box, tap on the Confirm button. And now your sign up has successfully been completed. You can now start to begin your journey and proceed forward with your new game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.